Got 2 rolls of filament here. They just came in the mail. Set this up here. All right, one of them is an ELEGOO. I'm gonna try this. It is ELEGOO. The dual color, so blue and purple. I'm gonna, where'd my clippers go? Okay, I'm gonna open this up and try it. Let's see what I can do with it. Printing off of some cool things. Purple. All right, cool. Gonna place it up here and try to grab my clippers. It's really difficult to do this with one hand. Moving everything around. Geesh, I gotta get a better tripod. Clip it off. Put it through the PTFE tube, guide tube. And then I printed off. Ooh, printed off this little tool here, which is to help me remove these tubes from the guide here. Let's see if I can set up a view that works. So clip that in. That goes like so. Push down and pull. Aha, there it is. Now, I'm gonna just pull this off and take the new tube actually, stick it in here, boom, and then tighten this up slightly. All right, so go to filament, external spool, load. It's going to heat up the nozzle. Let's see what it does here. And I think finish and continue. Maybe it'll, yep. It's pulling it. And grab my little flashlight here so I can see what's going on. Oh, I was pooping. Sure. It's not fully extruded yet, so try it again. Oh. I gotta try it again until it comes out. All right, it's coming out. So I'm gonna hit the bottom option here. There, it's coming out. I don't know if you can see it. And then so this is the ELEGOO dual color PLA. I got it off of Amazon. I'm going to edit the color. It's not really a purple, but and generic PLA I'm going to use. And then I'm going to go down to past everything that I have printed. I'm going to print a benchy. And then hit next. Back, not using AMS. Print. And here we go. I was going to heat up to 220, I believe. Try to. The bed's going to heat up to 65. And that doesn't really help.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I'm staying strong.
Well, it's done now. See how that turned out. What's the bed's still at 119 degrees. Take that off. Place it there for until it cools down. All right, I think it's cooled down a bit. I don't even know how to do this with one hand. Just twist it off. It's the ELEGOO Silk PLA Blue Purple. Did a pretty good job. See what else I can print with that.
To move on to be what I want, I'll keep dreaming.